All right, folks, today is Saturday, December 28th, 2019. Today, I'm going to do some work on this frame. For some reason, I think the front and back coils might be in the wrong spot. So, got to swap them out. My shocks should be here this afternoon. Ordered them through Rock Auto. Gas line should be here in about an hour, front to back. So I got some hose clamps and some 3/8 fuel line for that. So what I'm going to do is run the gas line, swap the springs, put the shocks in, go over the whole front end, tighten it, grease it, cotter pin it, all that, and hopefully get the body on here today. So I'll bring y'all back once we get some progress. We got some help coming, so we're going to be getting a lot done. We're going to be blocking the trunk of the Red Rocket. Might be blocking the doors of the 62 over there. So we're going to put in about 8 hours. Might primer my doors. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but we're going to put in at least 8 hours of work today between 3 guys. So we should get a lot done. So I'll bring y'all back once get some progress on this frame. All right, it's 5 o'clock. What time do we start? 11? So 6 hours later. We got the springs swapped out, put the front ones in the back is sitting lower. We put adjustable panhard bar. We put the rear shock mounts in. Put the 3-piece gas line. We swapped the motor mounts because the motor mounts were for inline 6. That's all we did. So we're getting ready to set the frame or the body on the frame. So that's a quick shot. And we gave it a bath. We'll bring y'all back once we get it on the frame. All right, so we're back. We got it on the frame. I didn't do a whole lot of recording. Really wasn't much to it. Push it under the lift and push the rotisserie on the lift, pick the car up, get the rotisserie out, roll the frame under there, set it on the frame. It fell right in place. Everything went smooth. So again, this frame came with this car, so that helped huge. We're not trying to swap frames or anything. I don't know, I'm kind of middle of the road about the wheels and tires. They look okay for now, but I think some staggereds, some 20s would look better, but yeah, it can always be done later. So what we did today was we ran the gas line. We put the shock mounts for the rear. We swapped the springs for the front, which brought the back down a lot. We buttoned up all the front end, all the steering, went over everything, make sure it's tight, put cotter pins, greased everything, greased the tie rods, pitman, idler, control arms. Of course, it's too dark, you can't see anything. But, see if we can get some flash. There we go. Buffed the firewall on Christmas Day. I don't think I did a video of that. So the firewall's done. So next up is going to be, I think I'm going to work on the doors. Just got one sitting over there on the floor. I'm going to get the doors and paint. The gutters are already cleaned up. Paint the doors. You can paint the trunk. You can put that on. I have a windshield. I need a back window. Before that, I need to do the headliner. So now we're getting to the point where it's going to start costing some money. But I think the doors and the trunk are next, and then maybe Raptor the trunk inside. So I'll bring y'all back once we start making some more progress, but I will start on the doors probably tomorrow. Go ahead and get them in some high build, start blocking them down. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know, maybe leave some comments on these wheels. They're Coker Fat Whites and some hubcaps that I got off of eBay. But they're 59 spinners on them, so they look pretty cool. I don't know, they look kind of like 63 caps. They're plastic, they're chrome. But I'm thinking some staggered wheels maybe. But I do like the stance that the springs gave. They're drop springs, so everything's good. So I'll bring y'all back once I get some more progress. Thanks for watching.